This tutorial will be on summary statistics, an analytical tool that is a cousin to Dissolve. So summary statistics works similar to Dissolve. It takes a field value. Right? Last instance, the field value was the neighborhood name. It condenses all of the records that share that name, and then it performs some kind of analysis on another field. Right? So last time when I did the Dissolve, very similar tool, and I condensed anything that shared the same neighborhood name, and then I summarized, I added together each of their relative geometry, square mileage, so I could get their total square miles. The response that came back there, if you remember in Dissolve, was this. It was a shapefile. The tool I'm about to teach you that we're going to do on the schools layer. And let's just take a look at the schools layer. A lot of information, facility name. We're going to be focusing on the grade level. Right, notice there's many records that share the same values, and enrollment. Those are the two fields. Muscle memory, analysis, statistics, summary statistics. The result that's going to come back here, a sentence I was starting earlier but didn't finish, is not actually going to, excuse that sound, is not actually going to create a new shapefile. It's going to create a table from which you can read the results. So in this instance, 567 records are going to get condensed down into however many discrete categories there are here, because that's the field I'm dissolving on. Or in this instance, it's called a case field. And each one of those is going to do a summary of its total enrollment. So it's reversed here, right? This was dissolve field last time. It's called case field. I wanted it to be I think it was the grade level. Let me just double check so I don't waste a tutorial. Grade level. And the statistics, what am I going to do statistics on? Enrollment. And what kind of statistic? I want a sum. And you know what? Why not, just because we're at it, let's also get the average. Whereas this table, notice says output table, no longer a shapefile, table. Save it there and hit OK. Goes through real quick. Doesn't seem like anything happens. Your only evidence would be this. Let's open and examine, and there's my analytical thing. Why were they blank? Why were 28 of them blank? Because whoever created this shapefile, it wasn't me, had 28 that didn't have a category. And those 28, right here, right, 28, have 1,738 students enrolled, and on average have 62 students enrolled in each of them. Almost the exact same if I had selected them. Notice I selected these 28 and right-clicked and did statistics. Look at that, the same numbers, 1738 and 6207. Does it for each one of them, tells you how many went into it, a lot of elementary schools, tells you the enrollment, and tells you the average enrollment for each school.